Hello and welcome to our exciting update for the IFX strategy. We've improved the way you see market trends by introducing color-coded candles. This new feature helps you quickly decide whether to look for buy or sell opportunities on the M5 timeframe. Our core strategy is still all about pullback entries in the white zone and the 4-hour zone. But now, with these colored candles, you can spot strong or weak markets at a glance and avoid confusing signals. When the candles turn green, the market is strongly bullish. This is your signal to look for buy trades only. Just wait for the RSI to reach 40 or below, then watch for a bullish block or look for price to enter and exit the white zone. Red candles show a strong bearish market, meaning it's safer to look for sell trades only. Wait for the RSI to reach 60 or above, then watch for a bearish block to enter. Things get interesting with blue and orange candles because they show weaker trends. Blue candles mean a weak bearish market. You can still look for sells if the RSI is above 60 and you see a bearish block. But if you also notice a bullish daily candle, that could mean it's a good time to buy on the M5. Orange candles mean a weak bullish market. You can look for buys if the RSI is below 40 and you see a bullish block heading into the white zone. Or if you see a daily bearish candle, you might also consider a sell. This color coding makes the IFX strategy even more powerful. It's now easier to filter your alerts, choose the right trades, and avoid dangerous setups. You'll be more confident about your entries, spend less time second guessing, and have a clear plan on every trade. Get ready to supercharge your results and explore the markets with this updated indicator. Take action now and boost your trading to the next level.